Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stew. To begin your culinary crafting journey, you'll start with the four basic elements: water, fire, earth, and wind. First, take water and combine it with earth to form plant. This is a crucial early step. Then, mix water and fire together to produce steam, another essential ingredient for our delicious creation. These initial combinations lay the groundwork for what's to come. Now that you have plant, let's move on to the next exciting step. Take the wind element and combine it with your plant to magically create dandelion. This delicate flower is key to our next ingredient. Once you have dandelion, simply combine it with water. This combination will yield wine, bringing us closer to our ultimate goal of a hearty stew. You're almost there. With steam and wine now in your inventory, the final step is incredibly simple. Take your steam element and combine it with the wine you just created. Voila! You have successfully crafted stew. This combination brings together all your hard work into one satisfying result, ready for further culinary adventures in infinite craft. Let's quickly recap your journey to crafting stew. You began with the four basic elements, creating plant from water and earth and steam from water and fire. Next, you transformed plant into dandelion with wind, and then dandelion into wine using water. Finally, by combining steam and wine, you successfully crafted stew. Now, the real fun begins as you can use your new stew to discover even more unique items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.